मैं तो बादलों से दूर जाऊंगी, मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी। है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे, सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी। हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं, मैं अपनी ही दुनिया बनाऊंगी। कि जिंदगी
Hello ma'am, what are our views about today's exhibition?
This math and IT exhibition highlights how learning becomes more powerful when imagination meets technology. I just congratulate all the students and teachers for this brilliant display. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
You have gone through with the exhibition.
All with this.
So how did you like it?
I like it very much. The children's done very hard work for their projects, and we really enjoyed every project. Every project is very, very interesting.
And what is the most important model impressed you?
I have enjoyed this calculative, this trigonometry project where we can measure the height of any building very easily by given the angle. This is new for me actually. Yes, and other projects are also very good, nice projects.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
Really good, ma'am.
So how was the exhibition today?
Fantastic. Amazing. I think the school is doing such an incredible job with the kids. And my daughter, who is in 5th standard, the entire thing was developed at the school. There has been no inputs from my side. And seeing those little kids speak so well, ma'am, it's just so overwhelming.
So how did you find the creativity level of our students at PITE?
Top notch. Yeah, top notch.
Thank you.
Really satisfied. Yes, Pite.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
आपने एग्जीबिशन देखा? कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बच्चों ने काफ़ी एफर्ट डाला है और बच्चों की मेहनत दिख रही है और टीचर्स की मेहनत भी दिख रही है, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
So एग्जीबिशन की अरेंजमेंट्स, गाइडेंस और कंफर्टेबल लेवल से आप कितने सेटिस्फाइड हो?
आई एम फुली सेटिस्फाइड क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा लगा है, बच्चे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और पता है बच्चों को कॉन्फिडेंट भी इससे बिल्ड होता है, बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है कुछ चीज़ें पार्टिसिपेट करना और ये स्कूल मौका दे रहा है, तो ये चीज़ अच्छा है और टीचर्स काफ़ी मेहनत करती हैं बच्चों पर, अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Did you like the exhibition?
It is amazing. It is amazing how children have been so creative, so innovative, and this is so much out of the box that they're doing. Studies have not just become only about books and about the curriculum. It has moved out of that, and it is so clearly visible how they're doing this. And I really am extremely satisfied with the way the school comes together to organize functions like these and exhibitions like these. It really is a world of science and tech, and children should be persuaded to, do things practically rather than just theoretically.
That's very nice of you, ma'am. So, did today's model help you see how maths or computers connect to real life?
Absolutely. We live in a world of AI. We are surrounded by machines. We operate on machines. It is about science. It is about computers, and the world will gradually move on to understanding how machines have actually penetrated every aspect of our life. And for such young children to understand it at such a tender age will help them not just to utilize machines properly and responsibly, but also to understand the threats that are associated with it. And I think it is extremely important and not just fascinating to understand the world that we are contemporarily living in.
That's really wonderful, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. See you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. So, what impressed you the most in today's exhibition, ma'am?
I think everything. The kids are so impressive. They are like explaining everything thoroughly. It is not like the teachers had made the project and they just help you out. No, they have made it by themselves. And like yes, Pite is always a great choice.
So how did you like the creativity level of PITE student?
Ultimate, super. Like I don't have words. I think I'm speechless.
So do you feel like exhibitions like this should more happen?
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely, it is helping a lot. Thank you so much for everything. Even my kid also part of it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, perfectly fine.
You must have gone through the projects and models made by our students today.
Yeah, it's a wonderful initiative and all students are really very creative. They have thought and designed and implemented the solutions, and another thing is that they are demonstrating it very well. Yeah.
So what did you like the most about today's exhibition?
I think the zeal in the students. They are more motivated. Ma'am, please come to us, ma'am, but we have done this. They are more eager to explain the things.
So do you think that such kind of exhibition and events help to boost children's confidence?
Definitely, it boosts the confidence as well as gives a platform where they can think about the innovation and creativity.
So did you feel the children's hard work was clearly visible today?
Pardon?
Did you feel the children's hard work was clearly visible today?
Yes, the work is very much clearly visible and they are very much confident about the presentation. They know the facts, how it is working. But by the theoretical knowledge, it is not possible. But when they are explaining, they know the facts.
So would you like to give any suggestion to us into the school?
So I think these type of activities should be more participative learning should be for the students so that they can engage them in more activities instead of a theoretical concepts.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Exhibition देखा आपने?
It's very good. Like kids are doing very well. It's very appreciation for all the kids. Actually, I visited here. There are a lot of kids. Through that, they just boost the confidence level in that. Because in starting, the kids are not speak properly. But still, after getting participated every year, it just boosts the confidence of the kids. So it's being very good platform by the PITE. It's for the kids, like they are grooming well, how they interact with the parents will come to their on table and they just put forth all their answers to them. So it's very good platform PITE is providing for the kids.
Okay. Did the exhibition change your perception how maths can be more fun and engaging?
Definitely, I go for many like tables with the kids, and they are like division methods. They are doing circle table, like the kids are doing the detection of the rainfall. There are a lot of things they are doing. Like it's being very great pleasure to come here to go through all the exhibition. The participants are doing well, and that's it.
So how would you rate the level of effort shown by the kids in preparing their models and projects?
It's 5 out of 5.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Myself, Divisa, do you want to try a tongue twister? Why not? So this is a tongue twister. A real mathematician can mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathematician. So if a real mathematician can mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathematiculation, why can't you mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathematiculation like the mathematician who mathematizes mathematics in a mathematical mathematiculation?
A real mathematician can mathematically mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathecalculation. So if a mathematician can mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathecalculation, why can't you mathematically mathematize mathematics in a mathematical mathecalculation like the mathematician who mathematically mathematizes mathematics in a mathematical mathecalculation?
हाँ एक जिंदगी मेरी सौ ख्वाब